welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Ria Versami and I'm a Shamanic Astrologer and past life regression hypnotherapist. Today I will be sharing with you astrological information about the upcoming new moon in Pisces, happening on the 2nd of March, 7:34 Eastern European Time and 6:34 Central European Time. First of all, I would like to share with you that March, it's a beautiful, amazing month because it's the only month of the year 2022 that we have no planets in retrograde. That means that this is a great month for manifestation and working on our vision, on our dreams and taking action. Every action will be taken in March will be actually, we receive a lot of help, a lot of guidance because it's just all the energy is like straightforward. So this new moon in Pisces, it's a very special new moon because it's actually the last new moon of the astrological year that ends the 21st of March with the spring equinox. So it's also representing a closure of a bigger circle, and Pisces is the last sign of the zodiac wheel, so also it has to do a lot with closures, and because it's the energy that is connected with our emotion, it's a very sensitive energy, it has to do also with letting go of things that are not serving us as we are preparing for the new cycle, the new astrological year, the 21st of March. So now about the energy of Pisces. Energy of Pisces in Shamanic Astrology is the archetype of the healer, of the mystic, of the spiritual leader, is connected with healing, imagination, dreams, intuition, channeling, spiritual, psychic abilities, spirituality. Is also connected with compassion. So Pisces is one of the three water signs, is connected with the water element, and water is a dominant element during this new moon event, and the water is connected with our emotions, is connected with our intuition, is connected with wisdom, with possibilities, with information, because the water carries all the information. So it's a time where actually having a new moon in Pisces, it's actually helping us to really connect with our intuition, with our inner guidance, with our emotions, and really create this new vision for ourselves, but not based on our mind, based more in our inner guidance and the way that we want to feel, manifesting from a place of how we want to feel in our life. And also receiving this inner guidance, like to just get there, right? Really listening to our intuition. So now we have a stellium formed in the energy of Pisces. This is how we call it in astrology. We have the sun and the moon in the energy of Pisces. As in every new moon, the sun and the moon are together. And we have Jupiter and Neptune also in the energy of Pisces. Now, Jupiter is the ancient ruler of Pisces and Neptune is the modern ruler of Pisces. Jupiter is the planet of expansion, of abundance, of good luck, of flow, and Neptune is the planet that has to do with dreaming, intuition, spirituality. So having these amazing, like these two planets in Pisces as well in their rulership, it's a time where you will be receiving a lot of guidance, a lot of downloads, a lot of information through your dreams. You might wake up and you're like, was that real? Is this real now that I'm living? Like, because the veil between dimension becomes very thin during this time. And it's a great time to keep a dream journal so you can write your dreams, because you know, when a new moon is happening, it's not actually the event of this day. We are getting influenced before and after. And if you're watching the video before the new moon, actually we had also the portal, the 22nd of the 2nd this month. So it was also brought up a lot of strong energies. So you probably watching the video, you already feel this energy of Pisces. So that's all I wanted to share with you today. take advantage of these energies, of these new moon energies, of March, of the whole month. Really connect with yourself, with your intuition, see how you want to feel, let go of whatever is not serving you, close things, close situation, let go of people, situations that are not serving your highest and greatest good. And also make sure you also visualize the higher view, the higher vision for the new earth, for the collective, how you want the planet to be. So thank you so much for listening. If you want to know more about how this new moon will affect you personally, I offer new moon 30-minute new moon personal readings, and I'm also doing a new moon ceremony on the 2nd of March. I'll put the links below. If you enjoy my content, make sure you subscribe and press the notification button so you receive a notification every time I upload a new video. And bye for now, and enjoy these beautiful energies.